October 18th, shortly after 8 p.m. We were now just at the Coach Insignia restaurant at the top of the General Motors Renaissance Center, and we're just going down an elevator now, 72 stories to the bottom, and I just wanted to show you the view going down. Obviously the vista from the top of the hotel is definitely beautiful. Let me show you the area on the other side here. There we go, nice view of Detroit looking eastwards. Ears are pumping, as you can hear. And I don't know if I can show you. This is the look towards the Ambassador Bridge, but you can't see it right now.
Going through the damn mountains in Virginia.
Let me show you
Oh,
a final view towards Windsor, Ontario.
that's no. I mean, wasn't there.
Looking down,
Wasn't there.
this is the Winter Garden. It's a nice view now across the river.
Caesar's there.
Ready for bed?
Okay. Let's see if we can get out the door here. And I'll
sleep
show you
well.
what we look like. Come out
I
the
got a little bit of a head rush.
yeah, my ears have
That
just
wine.
popped as well. Is the door gonna open or not?
For some reason.
This is where we
Do
want
we have to
be,
press
right?
something?
Didn't really want to.
Oh, there we go. See, that's what we look like when we come out the door.
Bye!
Bye! Thank you! In the Marriott, look at this. Looking down at the cars. People sitting there, special event going on, that's for sure. We have a quick peek over here, see what's going on. Yeah, there's definitely something special going on here. And now, going around this side once again, I want to show you the view down to the Winter Garden.